Well, guys, I have not been able to say this for a very long time. Shiba Inu coin and Pepe coin are breaking out this morning. Shiba Inu coin has broke out. This is the biggest breakout we have seen in 2025. Pepe's been on an uptrend since we made our video when Pepe was in the 6.5 range. I said from a technical standpoint, things are looking phenomenal here for Pepe. We're going to break it all down for you guys, talk about what's going on. Is it whale activity? Why the surge? And we'll take a look at each of the charts, kind of get into some of the technicals, take a look at the overall market for you guys. And meme coins are running out of nowhere. Now, is this like a legit breakout here? Is this the start to something? Is this a dead cat bounce? We'll get at all of that in this video, guys. At least give you guys our thoughts and opinions right now. And all I ask, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely crazy to me that almost 60% of the people who watch my videos throughout a month don't subscribe to the channel. It's totally free, guys. I'm here for you guys, giving you alpha, breaking things down. And you guys know we were early to Shiba Inu. And man, it's amazing to see it run a little bit finally. And it's really doing it without Ethereum too. We'll take a look at all of that. Ethereum's making a decent move here. But again, altcoins on the move. We've got SHIB, Pepe, Floki, Dogecoin, Brett making moves as well. So we'll take a look at all of that for you guys in this video. Let's get into it. Let's dive right in. Let's show you guys what's happening here. And we'll take you over into CoinMarketCap first. You guys can see our top movers here today over here on my right-hand side. You guys can see it. Look at this. SHIB's up 14%. We've got Pepe up 13%. Pepe almost back into the top 30, inside the top 30. SHIB's back at number 14. Again, making a very, very nice move. Up to $9 billion market cap here is SHIB this morning. Pepe getting close to that $4 billion mark. And Dogecoin's been on a nice little run here. Same thing with Bonk. It's on a nice run here. And I mentioned Brett too. So the Ethereum meme coins making a run here. Here's Brett up 12% too, making a nice run here. So what's going on? Why? Well, we can dive into some of that right now in this video, guys. And we're going to do just that for you. So if we head over to our cryptonews.net, one of the first few articles you'll see here, Shiba Inu records a staggering 244% growth in trading volume to over 10 million. This is just the Shiba Swap DEX. So a lot of activity here on Shiba Swap, and biggest Shiba Inu breakout in 2025 just happened. And a month-long downtrend has been broken by the recent spike, which broke through the 50 EMA, 50-day estimated moving average, eliminating the biggest resistance level on the market right now. SHIB has been steadily declining over the last few months, battling beneath moving averages. But on March 26, early this morning, the token blew up, pushing past the 50 and the 100-day moving average, guys. Both of those were crushed. And that is why the big breakout is occurring right now. You can see it over here on screen. And we'll take you guys inside the SHIB chart here over on TradingView to give you a little bit better picture here of what's happening. And you'll see exactly what we're saying here. Look at this big, big move to the upside. We have not seen levels like this since the beginning of March. It's been a little while here. And all of a sudden, from a technical standpoint, things have flipped bullish. SHIB is now a buy on the moving average side of things. We're still looking to get over that 100-day and 200-day. We're not too far away from it, guys. Right on the heels of the 100-day moving average. This is going to be our next resistance. One of them at that 1661, and then the 200 at 1798. And if we can knock out both of these 100 and 200-day moving averages, SHIB's really got some room to run here. So again, we're kind of doing this without Ethereum too. Here, let me make this screen a little bit bigger and you guys can see that a little bit better here. I'll drop myself down here for a few. There you go. You guys can see what's going on here with the 100-day and 200-day. So that's what we got on the SHIB chart. Now, Pepe's chart has been breaking out for a while now. Okay, Pepe's been making some moves here since it bottomed out here in the mid fives. We talked about it here in the mid sixes, right in here, a couple weeks back, saying, "Hey, this was the bottom potentially here for Pepe." Now, could we come back down and retest? Yes, this could be a dead cat bounce. There is no question about it. Okay, but we have not seen these price levels since late February here on Pepe, and all of a sudden, from a technical standpoint, same thing with Pepe here. Very similar to where SHIB is setting up. We need to get to the 10.94 for the 100-day EMA and then 11.80 for that 200-day EMA. So we're close on both of those. And it's interesting that, Memecoin's kind of breaking out here out of nowhere. This is a good sign. Retail potentially, getting interested again, in the market. And if we click over to the altcoins, we can see here there's some articles about SHIB and some meme coins here as well on this list. If we take a look at Pepe and we go inside kind of what's going on with Pepe, we've been talking about this for a while. Meme coins return with double-digit gains as Bitcoin taps 88,000. Dogecoin's been on the move as well. And again, meme coins have been on the rise. And they had massive drawdowns and pullbacks, but you guys can see it here, making some really, really nice headway here this morning. SHIB spiked, Doge spiked, and Pepe, your top three meme coins, all up. And if we go over to the meme coin sector, even get a better idea of what's going on here. Dogecoin's up 19% on the week. SHIB's up 20% now on the week. There's Pepe. Trump's kind of lagging behind the two. Bonk making some really nice moves, up 39% in the last week. SPX 58%, Fartcoin 81%, Brett 26%. Just outside the top 100 is Brett now. I don't think it'll be long until it's back in there, especially when the base narrative heats back up. But very, very good stuff to see. Meme coins making some runs here. That is a good sign that retail is interested right now. Now, will it last? That's the big question. Will it last? Well, we're going to have to see sustained growth. And again, we're looking at those 100 and 200-day moving averages, both for SHIB and Pepe. Those are two assets I'm very, keen on because I'm heavily invested. And very similar story here with Brett too. All these Ethereum-based meme coins, if they can get above the 100 and 200-day EMAs, that is where we could really start to see some big moves and get confidence that we are shaking loose here and getting back into a risk-on environment in crypto. So that's what we'll be watching for, guys. Again, hit that like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. We'll see you guys in the next one.